Verify that the points with position vectors are collinear. Okay, let us begin. So here, we're going to consider 3 points A, B, and C. We have the point A, point B, and point C. Now, what we'll do, we will consider another point O. Now, let's say point O is the origin of some coordinate system. Now, with respect to this origin, we can define the position vector of point A, B, and C. So here we have OA vector. So OA vector is going to be the position vector of point A. Let's say it's represented by the vector 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Then we have OB vector. The OB vector is going to be represented by I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And then we have OC vector. OC vector is going to be negative I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Now, what we'll do, we'll try to find out the vector AB. AB vector, all we have to do is join points A and B with the help of a vector going from point A to B. And AB, in terms of the position vector, will be take the position vector of the final point, which is OB, and from it subtract the position vector of the initial point, that is A. So we have OB minus OA. Now, what is OB minus OA? So let's use the value here. So we have I cap plus j cap plus k cap. That's the vector corresponding to the position vector of point B. And from here, we're going to subtract the position vector of point A. 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. This will be equals to, so I cap minus 3i cap will be negative 2i cap. J cap minus negative 2j cap, that is going to give us 3j cap. And k cap minus 4k cap will be negative 3k cap. So this is the vector AB. We're going to label this as number 1. Next, we'll try to find out the vector BC. Now, BC vector, that can be obtained by joining point B and C with another vector going from B to C. So here, using the definition of the position vector, we have OC minus OB. That will be equals to, so we have negative I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. And from here, we're going to subtract the position vector of point B. So that's I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay. This will be equals to, so we have negative 2i cap plus 3j cap and then negative 3k cap. So let this be number 2. Now from 1 and 2, we see from 1 and 2, we are getting that the vector AB, that's equals to lambda times the vector BC, where lambda is some scalar with a value equals to 1. Fine. Now, whenever this particular criterion is met, this only tells us that A, B, and C are collinear. So we have successfully showed that the 3 points A, B, and C are indeed collinear.